Over 45 hours since the high-speed Lamborghini crash in Kanpur, which left several pedestrians injured, the investigation appears to be crawling even as public outrage surges onto the streets. In this probe moving strictly by the book, or is the system bending for a high-profile accused? Remember, the father of the man in that Lamborghini is a crorepati from Kanpur, a tobacco king, a tycoon. So that line is now being echoed by the accused father. In fact, the accused father, KK Mishra, now saying that Shivam, who was in the Lamborghini, was in the car but had begun to lose consciousness due to a medical condition, epilepsy, and maintaining that it was the driver who then lost control and that Shivam was rushed to Delhi for treatment. Shivam Mishra's lawyers insist that he was not behind the wheel, claiming that his driver Mohan was the one who was driving the Lamborghini at the time of the crash. Now, NDTV has accessed exclusive CCTV footage from February 8th in Kanpur, and in those visuals you can actually see the precise moments before and after the crash. The footage shows a black SUV pulling over and bouncers opening its doors, attempting to get out even before the vehicle came to a stop. At least 5 bouncers then are seen running towards the Lamborghini. Another video shows a bouncer pulling Mishra out of the car. This even as the police say that Shivam Mishra is hospitalized and will undergo medical tests, including for epilepsy. Questions continue to mount over why no arrest has been made so far. A luxury Lamborghini lying covered inside a police station, and an FIR initially filed against unknown persons. Departmental action against a local cop has taken place. The CCTV visuals clearly pointing to an organized escort and swift extraction of the tycoon son. So over 45 hours later, no arrests made. The opposition, in fact, Samajwadi Party has said, are they going to use bulldozers now in this case, and where is the justice?
गाड़ी लंबोर्गिनी कुछ उसमें खराबी हो गई थी। जिस दिन ये घटना घटी है उसके एक दिन पहले मिस्त्री बाहर से आके उसने गाड़ी को कुछ ठीक किया, जो भी उसमें टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम थी। उसके बाद में दूसरे दिन शिवम और ड्राइवर 2 आदमी उस गाड़ी को टेस्टिंग के लिए ले गए कि भाई दिन में देखे। आप बाद में प्रश्न करिए, मैं अपनी बात खत्म करूँ। वो उसको गाड़ी को टेस्ट के लिए गए, सिविल लाइंस तक ले गए। सिविल लाइंस से लेके वो धीरे वापस आ रहे थे। उसी बीच में जहाँ ये घटना घटित हुई है उसके पास जब घटना घटित हुई है उसके पहले शिवम को कुछ झपकी आने लगी। ऐसा ड्राइवर को सोचने लगा कि इनको हुआ क्या, झपकी ऐसी लगने लगी। तो उन्होंने उसके एक हाथ छोड़कर शिवम के पीछे हाथ लगाया और साथ में ही सुनिए, साथ में ही उसके साथ में ही जब उसमें हाथ लगाया गाड़ी स्लो हो गई। गाड़ी स्लो होने के बाद में ब्रेक मारा उसने, तब तक एक टेम्पो वाला आ गया, उसने साइड से टक्कर मारी। गाड़ी लेफ्ट साइड रुकी, इन्होंने ब्रेक मारा, गाड़ी ब्रेक से रुक गई। रुक जाने के बाद में फिर वो ड्राइवर ने उसकी अचेत अवस्था देख के परेशान हो गया।
एक बात और मैं आपको क्लियर करना चाहूंगा कि जो पहली एफआईआर लिखी जाती है, एफआईआर तौफीक जो इंजर्ड है उनकी तरफ से लिखाई जाती है। वो गाड़ी का नंबर देते हैं, ड्राइवर कौन है उनको नहीं पता। हमारी विवेचना में हमने गाड़ी के नंबर से ट्रेस करा कि इसके ओनर कौन है, और जो हमारे से फुटेज मिले हैं, सीसीटीवी फुटेज और जो वहाँ पे पड़ताल की गई है, उसके बाद पता लगा कि ड्राइवर शिवम मिश्रा है। तो शुरुआती दौर में अगर एफआईआर में नाम ना होना इसका मतलब नहीं, क्योंकि वो जानते नहीं थे, जो कंप्लेनेंट है उनको नहीं पता है कि गाड़ी कौन चला रहा है। और एफआईआर होने के बाद विवेचना में उनका नाम आ गया। हम खुद कह रहे हैं कि हमारी विवेचना में शिवम मिश्रा का नाम आया और वो खुद ड्राइव कर रहे थे और वो कार के ऑनर भी हैं।
शिवम मिश्रा का क्या रोल है? शिवम मिश्रा और ड्राइवर दोनों लोग गाड़ी में बैठे हुए थे। जो ड्राइवर गाड़ी चला रहा था उससे एक दिन पहले गाड़ी को बनाने वाले कुछ लोग आए थे, और वो उसका ड्राइवर का कहना ये है कि गाड़ी में अचानक साइड से एक टेम्पो वाले ने टक्कर मारी और उसके बाद बगल में मोटरसाइकिल खड़ी तो उससे इनकी गाड़ी टकरा गई। इतना ही मुझे बताया ड्राइवर ने। शिवम से कुछ बात हुआ था कि किस मतलब वो तो बेहोश है, वहाँ एडमिट है दिल्ली में। क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? उनको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, दिल्ली में एडमिट है, चक्कर अक्कर आया था जो भी था। अब वहाँ पहुँचे।
Well, let's now go across to Ajay Dubey, senior correspondent, who joins us from Kanpur. And Ajay, give us more details, because we've seen the CCTV footage. We can see the bouncers coming and pulling him out. The police also arrived at the spot. No breathalyzer done, no blood test done. Now we're told Shivam is in hospital. So what is the latest you can tell us?
See, the latest thing is that the police which was saving Shivam earlier, Kanpur police, is now being told they are lying by the father of Shivam Mishra. Earlier we have seen for 2 days police was continuously trying to save him. Initially when this incident took place, the FIR registered, and at that time it was booked by the number of the vehicle but not by the name. It was NDTV who was asking question continuously. After that we can see his name now in FIR. Later on they were trying to hide the car. They were covering the car in the police station, and later on we can see after such action, Commissioner Line Hazard, that police inspector who was investigating this case, and the police commissioner informed us that they are investigating this case and now they are having evidences that Shivam was the one who was driving this car, and this information is given by the commissioner. And when we asked this question to the father of Shivam Mishra, KK Mishra, he said that he is saying ye galat baat kar rahe hain, he is telling the wrong thing. So this is what is happening right now. Police is still investigating this case. His father gave his thought. He's being questioned by the police, and now investigation is going on by the police side.
Right, Ajay, so you're telling us the police finally are going to be taking action, and yes, it does seem at the spot when, you know, we could see from that footage as well, there's a lot of anger over this, politics also taking place. Samajwadi Party has been critical of what's happening and whether the tycoon's son is being protected. So can we expect action soon, given the police are saying that it was Shivam Mishra and his father has claimed that he's in a hospital in Delhi?
This is what their family is informing. We had communication with the eyewitnesses yesterday. They were telling that Shivam was driving the car. He was medically not conscious at that time when this incident took place, while bouncers were getting him out of the car. So this is what we were being informed by the eyewitnesses. Lawyer and the family members of Shivam Mishra, they are informing that he is right now in Delhi, and police is telling that they are investigating this case right now.